guys, today I'm gonna make cheesy lumpia dog, okay? So these are all the ingredients. We did the mozzarella cheese, and then the hot dog, and then the wrapper, okay? Hot dog like this, guys. And then so that we can put the cheese like that. And then like this. And then like that. Okay. Okay guys, so like that. Like this. Like that. And then like that. Okay. Okay. It's nice if we have a thicker lumpia wrapper. Okay. Okay guys, so that's it. Okay. Okay, that one. That one. Okay. Okay. Okay guys, so the cheesy or cheese lumpia dog, okay? Yeah, dog. Okay guys, so that's it. It's done. Okay. That dog, it's done. Okay. And now it's testing time. Dog, it's done. Okay, and I'm going to slice it. Okay guys. Okay guys, look at that one. Oh, the cheese. Oh, it's melting. Cheesy lumpia dog. Okay. And now we're gonna taste it. Ooh, it's super hot. It's yummy good. Our cheesy lumpia dog is done. It's super yummy, guys. Okay? Okay, guys. See you tomorrow for another recipe, and thank you for watching. Bye-bye.